Looking for a clean, spotless ride has never been easier. The best vacuum for car ensures every nook and cranny is free from dust, dirt, and debris, making your interior look fresh and well-maintained with minimal effort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Vacmaster Vacuum for Car. The Vacmaster Vacuum for Car is a professional-grade solution designed for both wet and dry cleaning, making it ideal for everyday car maintenance. Its stainless steel tank offers durability and reliability, ensuring the vacuum can withstand heavy use without compromising performance. Powered by a 135 air-watt motor, it delivers strong suction capable of removing dirt, dust, and debris from carpets, seats, and hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum includes a generous 16-foot cleaning reach, combining the hose and power cord to provide effortless mobility around your vehicle. Additionally, Vacmaster comes with 6 essential accessories, including a cartridge filter for dry pickup and a foam wet filter for wet pickup, making it versatile for a wide range of cleaning needs. Organization is a key feature, with onboard storage for the hose, cord, and all included accessories, keeping your garage or car trunk tidy. Portability is enhanced through a balanced top handle and durable wide-stance casters, allowing smooth transportation from one area to another. Furthermore, its versatile design allows conversion from a standard wet-dry vacuum to a blower, expanding its functionality beyond traditional vacuuming tasks. Users will find this vacuum suitable for both car interiors and garage cleanups, providing consistent performance across different environments. Number 2. Soccer Vacuum for Car. The Soccer Vacuum for Car is a compact, multifunctional mini vacuum that excels in versatility and portability. Designed for vacuuming, blowing, and pumping, it addresses a wide range of cleaning scenarios, from car interiors to keyboards, sofas, and even small office spaces. Its powerful 17,000 PA suction comes from an upgraded high-speed brushless motor, allowing efficient removal of sand, dust, pet hair, and other debris. 3 adjustable suction levels give users control over cleaning intensity, ensuring delicate surfaces remain undamaged while heavy messes are efficiently tackled. Weighing only 380 grams, this handheld vacuum is ultra-lightweight and foldable, making storage and transport effortless. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of being tethered to a power outlet, and the 3 2500 mAh batteries provide extended runtime to complete thorough cleaning sessions without interruption, both of which extend the vacuum's longevity and ensure efficient dust capture. The device's small size does not compromise its functionality, allowing it to clean tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas effectively. Its range of accessories further expands its capabilities, making it suitable for diverse tasks such as inflating items or maintaining electronic devices. This vacuum is ideal for car owners who require a compact, high-powered solution that combines convenience, portability, and impressive suction performance. Number 3. IYOFINE Vacuum for Car. The IYOFINE Vacuum for Car combines high-powered suction with multifunctional features, making it a reliable choice for both automotive and household use. Its vacuum and air duster capabilities are enhanced by 3 sets of suction tips and 3 spray tips, allowing users to clean electronics, cars, and home surfaces efficiently. The brushless motor delivers up to 80,000 RPM and 21,000 PA of suction, surpassing traditional vacuums in both strength and longevity. This high-powered motor ensures that dirt, dust, pet hair, and crumbs are quickly removed, even from tight crevices. With a 6,000 mAh battery, the vacuum provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, supporting extended cleaning without frequent recharges. The user-friendly design features simple controls with a long press to power on and a single click to adjust power levels, offering 3 section modes to accommodate various debris types. Compact and lightweight, the vacuum is easy to handle, store, and transport, making it ideal for car detailing, home cleaning, or even outdoor tasks. Accessories are stored conveniently in an included case, keeping everything organized, and most are washable for added hygiene and longevity. The vacuum charges quickly via USB-C, compatible with car chargers, power banks, or other USB sources. And a battery display on the handle allows users to monitor remaining power. IYOFINE's thoughtful combination of high suction, portability, and multifunctionality makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable car vacuum that can handle diverse cleaning tasks. Its design emphasizes convenience, efficiency, and durability, ensuring users can maintain a spotless car interior and clean electronics with minimal effort. Number 4. Saker Plus Vacuum for Car. The Saker Plus Vacuum for Car is a compact handheld device designed for everyday automotive cleaning, offering powerful suction and multifunctional capabilities. With 2 adjustable suction modes of 8,000 PA and 12,000 PA, its brushless motor efficiently tackles dirt, dust, and debris in car interiors. The device's 3-in-1 design allows vacuuming, blowing, and pumping, making it versatile for cleaning carpets, upholstery, hard-to-reach crevices, and even serving as a BBQ fan or tire inflator. Despite its small size, the vacuum is portable, lightweight, and convenient to store, weighing just 0.83 pounds and easily fitting in a car trunk or closet. It includes washable HEPA filters, which are reusable, along with 2 detangling brushes to efficiently remove hair, ensuring long-term performance. Charging is simple with a Type-C cable, taking only 3 hours for a full charge, and a power indicator ensures users are notified when the battery is low. Its compact design does not compromise functionality, as the vacuum provides targeted cleaning with easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The Saker Plus is ideal for users seeking a lightweight, portable solution for maintaining a clean car interior without the bulk of traditional vacuums. Its multifunctionality extends its usefulness beyond standard vacuuming tasks, offering added versatility for home or outdoor applications. The combination of strong suction, portable design, and practical accessories makes it a top choice for busy car owners who want a reliable and efficient cleaning device. Whether handling everyday dirt, pet hair, or stubborn debris, the Saker Plus Vacuum for Car delivers consistent performance with convenience and ease. Overall, it is a highly practical tool that balances portability, suction power, and versatility.
Number 5. Saker Vacuum for Car. The Saker 6-in-1 Vacuum for Car is a multifunctional mini device designed to handle a variety of cleaning and emergency tasks, making it an ideal companion for automotive maintenance. This compact vacuum integrates vacuuming, blowing, and inflating, allowing users to clean car interiors, keyboards, sofas, and other surfaces, as well as inflate air cushions, life buoys, and other inflatables. Its high-powered 20,000 PA suction comes from an upgraded high-speed brushless motor, with 3 adjustable suction levels to address light, medium, and heavy debris efficiently. Portability and convenience are central to the design, as the vacuum is lightweight and easily stored in a trunk or closet. Safety features include a car window breaker and a seatbelt cutter, allowing users to handle emergencies such as car accidents or fires, making this device both practical and life-saving. The vacuum includes 2 charging interfaces, a Type-C port for the vacuum itself, and a USB port to charge other devices, providing a versatile mobile power source. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, it delivers long runtime and efficient performance, making it suitable for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. The dual filter system ensures effective dust capture, with reusable and washable filters enhancing longevity and reducing maintenance. This vacuum's design emphasizes multifunctionality, combining cleaning, inflating, and emergency preparedness in one compact device. It is particularly beneficial for car owners who prioritize efficiency, convenience, and safety. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.